Hi everyone, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Wednesday the 23rd of December 2020. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting with the pound-yen analysis.
The Great Britain pound inched lower against the Japanese yen on Wednesday, decreasing the price of the pound yen to less than 139 ahead of the release of Japanese leading economic index news.
Now this pair is currently trading around the 138.49 level with the following support levels. If you look at the chart closely, we can see the first support is at 137.40, which is the low of November 20th this year. Second support is at 136.73, the 38.2% Fibonacci level. Finally, the third support is at 136.18, the lower trend line arm.
And on the upside, the price of the pound yen is likely to hit some critical resistance spots. Looking at the chart carefully, the first resistance will be 139.52, which is the high of December 21st, 2020. The second resistance will be 140 even, which is the psychological number. And the last resistance will be 140.35, which is the upper trend line arm.
Okay, so the news we need to look out for is the Japan's leading economic index news. The Cabinet Office of Japan anticipates releasing these numbers amid the Japanese leading economic index news later on today, which is the 23rd. And according to economists' view, the Japanese leading economics index news reached a reading of 93.8 in October as compared to a reading of 93.8 in the previous month.
The Japanese leading economic index is an important economic indicator that consists of 12 indices including ratios, machinery orders, account inventory, stock prices, and other leading economic indicators. The index reflects the performance of Japanese economy over the short to medium term. Generally speaking, increasing numbers are considered positive for the Japanese yen. However, higher readings suggest a bearish market for the pound-yen pair ahead and vice versa.
In conclusion, considering the price movement of this pair over the past few days, selling the pair around the current levels might yield some quick short-term profits. Now let's move on to the USDCAD analysis.
The US dollar rose against the Canadian dollar on Wednesday, increasing the price of the USDCAD to more than 1.2900 ahead of release of US durable goods orders news.
Okay, so this pair, the USDCAD, otherwise known as the loonie, is currently strengthening around the 1.2907. Whilst moving upwards, we might come across the following resistance levels. Looking at the chart closely once again, we can see the first resistance is at 1.2982, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. Second resistance is at 1.3029, the high of November 25th this year. Finally, the third resistance is at 1.3073, a major horizontal resistance.
That's right. And on the downside, the price may hit some major support levels near the listed price tags. Looking at the chart, the first support will be 1.2869, which is 23.6% Fibonacci level support. The second support will be 1.2800, which is the psychological level, and the third support will be 1.2772, which is the major horizontal support.
Okay, so the news we need to keep an eye for is the US durable goods orders news. The US Census Bureau prepares to release stats concerning the US durable goods later on this evening, and as per economist consensus, the US durable goods orders news reached a reading of 0.6% in November as compared to a reading of 1.3% the previous month.
The stats for the US durable goods order news reflect the total cost of orders placed with the manufacturers of durable goods, services, and structures within the United States. Durable goods include appliances, motor vehicles, and other assets alike having a useful life of more than 3 years. The production of fixed assets involves macro financial outflow. Therefore, the US durable goods stats are considered key economic indicators and are highly sensitive to the US economy. Generally speaking, the high readings suggest a bullish market for the USDCAD ahead and vice versa.
In conclusion, given the macro economic outlook of this pair over the past few days, buying the USCAD around the current levels might be a worthwhile trading decision in the short to medium term. And as always, trade with your head, not your heart. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, and always apply strict money and risk management techniques.
That's right. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and our Instagram at Forex Decoded. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button as well. See you next time.
We're going to be going on a short break, so happy holidays. Hope you have a great Christmas and New Year's, and see you next year, early next year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Bye for now.